will be proved. Later on, it will be proved, obviously. What is then cos theta 1 minus theta 2? What is this? B and this is A. Take just instead of unit vector A and B. Without the unit vector also, you know, A and B. A vector and B vector. Now, what is cos theta 1? What is cos theta 1 from this diagram? B1 by B. Cos theta 2? A1 by A. Now, plus, what is sin theta 1? B2 by B. What is sin theta 2? A2 by A. So now, we take AB here. AB cos theta. Say theta is the angle between A. So theta is the angle between A and B. So theta is theta 1 minus theta 2. It is angle between vector A and vector B. Now AB cos theta is what? A1 B1 plus A2 B2. Isn't it very surprising and easy? So easy. You have two vectors expressed in terms of I cap, J cap. You can find cos theta. Cos of the angle between the vector by this formula. Got it, na? Everything has a logic. कोई लिख दिया बुक में डॉट प्रोडक्ट होता है ऐसा, but has to be established. We have proved the dot product formula by the way. This is expressed as A dot B. And if the vectors are like this, A dot B, it is dot product of vectors. Dot product of vectors A and B. Now we define dot product as like, say you have two vectors. Define dot product like this. If you have two vectors A and B at some angle theta. Now A dot B, A dot B, it a dot, not full stop. Okay, dot. A dot B is given as AB cos theta, and if it is expressed in terms of I cap J cap, suppose A is A1 I cap plus A2 J. Now I will include J cap also. No worry, na? Now B is equal to, see, we have done it for 2D, it will be 2 for 3D also. Okay, what will be that? What is AB cos theta? Yeah, A1 B1. A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3.